clenches, I'm losing all of my senses, I freeze. I'm tense, defenseless, suspense presents with intense mystery. I move my body, but it feels like someone taking over me. My thoughts are gone like they're locked up and someone threw away the key. It's like a creature from a nightmare. I do not feel like myself. I think I might be something else, and I don't think I can tell if I am dreaming. My mind is packed and leaving. I'm feeling like an animal. Don't know what has occurred, but I see in third person view. I try to talk to myself, but the voice I hear sounds just like you. The words I've spoken make me think that my mind is broken too. Not in control or without a soul, there's no telling what I'll do. I'm like a creature from a nightmare. I do not feel like myself. I think I might be something else, and I don't think I can tell if I am dreaming. My mind is packed and leaving. I'm barely breathing. Did I always have the potential? I'm revealing I have become something new, or am I turning into you? And will I even make it through this delusion? Or is this evolution? I'm feeling like an animal. I do not feel like myself. I think I might be something else, and I don't think I can tell if I am dreaming. My mind is packed and leaving. I'm barely breathing. Did I always have the potential? I'm